Hello and welcome to HTML5 course. I'm Wahid Ahmad. This is tutorial number 9 of our HTML5 course. In this tutorial, we will discuss how we can have images in HTML5, how we can have images in your website, how you can display them on the browser with the help of HTML5 code. I will tell you what text do we need to use for HTML5 images and what else you can do with the image in HTML5. So the main tag would be img. Just remember the tags are important to remember. uh, img tag. After img tag, we will have the src attribute. This is an attribute. It will have a value. I will tell you what value do we need to give to the src attribute. So this is the main tag. Now I've already saved it on desktop as images.html file. Just save it. Come to the desktop. I will show you. Here I have created a folder on the desktop. It is images. Inside the folder I have a photo, I have an image, and just before writing the code, you should be able to know what type of image do you have, what is the format of your image. Here when you put the cursor here, you would see it, item type jpeg file. So that is important. Okay, if it is jpeg or whatever it is, whatever the format it is, you should be able to see it. Okay, now come to the Sublime Text Editor again. Sublime Text Editor. Now here, what is the folder name? It was images. Now in the src it is source. Okay, in this we will write the destination of the file location, the destination of our image, the destination of our file that we have on your computer. Okay, we have the file and desktop, so you don't have to write desktop because the default it is desktop. Okay, now backslash. What was the image name? Images is the folder because it is on desktop, so we don't have to write desktop, just write images backslash. What was the file name? I will show you again. You can see it, the file name is html. What was the format? jpeg. That is important. Okay, if you write jpg a wrong format, it will not work. The file was jpeg, so I wrote that. Now save it. Come to desktop, images.html. now can you see it? That was the image. Now it worked. In case you wrote the wrong format, for example jpg, I will save it and refresh it. Look, it's not working. The format should be correct. Okay, it should be correct. Okay, it's working now. What other attributes can we have inside the image tag? The next one is alternative. Alt stands for alternative. What is the alt attribute? The alt attribute is the alternative text that you can have for your image in case the internet doesn't work. The photo, the image you have will not load because of the internet. So there would be a text. It will appear for the user, so he would know, he would have an idea what is the image about. Okay, I will just give a name, a simple explanation for the image. HTML5 image. Just save it. Now come to the browser, refresh it. You will not see it because now the file is loading. In case if you want to change it, I will do this. Now can you see it? I changed the format, so the image didn't load. Now the text is here, HTML5 image. So even if the internet doesn't work for the user, he would know what is the image about. Now I know the image is about HTML5. So this is how the alternative works. Save it, refresh it. Now it's not here. It will work only when the image don't load. Okay, what other attribute can we have? The other one is um, title, image title. Title, I will give HTML5 image practice. Image practice, save it, just refresh it. Now can you see it? When the title attribute works, it works when the cursor is on the image. Okay, you don't have to click on it. When the cursor is on the image, HTML5 image practice. I will show you. I will change it. HTML5 image practice on cursor. Okay, save it. Refresh it. Now can you see it? HTML5 image practice on cursor. Okay, this is how it works. It is important for you when you don't want to write some explanation here for the user, so you can write some explanation here, some tips here for the image. When the user puts the cursor here, he will see the information, the whatever explanation you gave. Okay, this is how it works. This is enough for this video. In the upcoming video, we'll know what else we can do with image, how we can change the size of the image, and how we can change the alignment of the image. By default, it's on the left side, how you can have it on the right, and other alignments. Okay, thank you so much for other videos, for other courses. Subscribe to our channel, One Robotic Team, and press the bell icon so you won't miss any update. Thank you so much.